Paging Dr. Gut Punch. I think I need to perform a buttectomy. Say, ah. That eyeball, is it real? Aha, I see the problem. Your eye is out of your head. Let me put it back in for you. Your mind appears to be fading. You have imagined me with scrunch space for a boxing glove. He'll live. These are the best lines created by one of the most hilarious doctors, Dr. Gut Punch. Oh yeah, one more thing. He also mentioned, there's only one cure for hockey fever. Put it on ice! And that's when he punches Kirby's dad in the gut. Hilarious. Here's his chin. Shaped like an ass. There. Here's his stethoscope. This is why his name's Dr. Gut Punch. He has a boxing glove for a weapon. And finished! That is how you draw Dr. Gut Punch! Every time when the doctors say it won't hurt a bit, it actually stung! Alexa, what is a stethoscope?
Stethoscope is a noun meaning an instrument used in auscultation to convey sounds in the chest or other parts of the body to the ear of the examiner.
Okay. That's what a stethoscope is. That's all for now. Be sure to like your blog and subscribe. And do not get any blood tests. Besides, those things are really annoying. They are a really big pain. As big as this boxing glove gets. I'm not the kind of guy who likes blood tests. I'd give it a middle finger for that. Anyways, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.